Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COSAM Manipur. Unit 2 Matrices and Determinants. Topic Determinants. Subtopic Properties of Determinants. Exercise 4.2. Properties of determinant. Property 1. Prove that the value of a determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Determinant amagi row sing amasung column sing phampham onthoknabana determinant gi value hongde. Solution. Let delta equal to first row A1, A2, A3, second row B1, B2, B3, third row C1, C2, C3 be a determinant of third order. Therefore, delta equal to expanding in first row, we get A1 cancelling the row containing A1 and the column containing A1. We get a second order determinant whose value is product of the two diagonal elements B2 into C3 minus B3 into C2 minus A2, cancelling the row and the column in which A2 occurs. We get a second order determinant. Their value is B1 into C3 minus B3 into C1 plus A3, cancelling the row and the column. We get a second order determinant whose value is B1 C2 minus B2 C1, which is expand in row 1. Let delta 1 be the determinant obtained by interchanging the rows and the columns of delta. Mataki determinant asigi row khudingmak column da natraga column khudingmak row da interchange soraga phangba determinant amani delta 1 asina. Then delta 1 first column to the A1, A2, A3, second column to the B1, B2, B3, third column to the C1, C2, C3 oirani, whose expansion in this column 1 expand to Rabadi, we get A1 times of B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus A2 yauba row column malokthokrabadi B1 C3 minus B3 C1 plus A3 thamo A3 yauba column row lokthokrabadi second order determinant whose value is B1 C2 minus B2 C1, which is expand in C1, which is equal to right hand side of the above expression. Masi mataki expression yetalariba expression asiga exactly manare maram asina masi delta na sindokre. Now delta 1 equal to delta, they have same value. Hence the value of a determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Determinant amagi row singa column singa phampham onthok nabana hongdok nabana determinant gi value hongde. Property 2. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, then prove that the sign of the determinant is changed. Row ani natraga column ani determinant amagi row ani natraga column ani phampham hongdok nabana onthok nabana determinant gi sign da ahongba leite. The sign of the determinant is changed. Determinant gi sign change towi hongani. Let delta equal to first row the A1, A2, A3, second row the B1, B2, B3, third row the C1, C2, C3, whose expansion in row 1 we get this. Sima phangani. Let delta suffix 1 be the determinant obtained by interchanging the second and third row of delta. Delta ki second row ga third row ga interchange tawraga phangba determinant amani delta suffix 1 asi. Then delta suffix 1 asigi first row di lengdana lairani, second row adudi third row gi elements sing haibadi C1, C2, C3 orani, aduga third row aduna hanagi second row gi elements sing haibadi B1, B2, B3 na oirani. Therefore delta 1 first row expand to see first row expand to robadi, we get this expression. Hojik tang khuding maktagi khoina minus log to asi minus tang khuding maktagi minus log to obadi bracket ki expression ani se interchange habadi minus ki matungda leibasina first ta aduga minus ki mamangda leibasina second da la ani. ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯃꯤ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯦꯠ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯗꯦꯜꯇꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯧꯔꯦ therefore equal to minus delta na mahut sindokre hojik delta 1 ki value se minus times of delta oire. Hence the interchange of any two rows or columns of a determinant changes the sign of the determinant. Determinant amagi row karigumba row ani natraga column ani hongdoknabana determinant ki sign change to we have to prove tore. Property number 3. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then prove that the value of the determinant is 0. Determinant amagi row ani natraga column ani manarabadi determinant ki value to 0 oigani. Let delta equal to first row A1, A2, A3, second row B1, B2, B3, third row B1, B2, B3 lowrasi C1, C2, C3 ki mawong the lowragum si row ani si manhan ba be a determinant in which the second and the third row are same. Second row ka third row ka manahali. Let delta 1 be the determinant obtained by interchanging the second and the third row of delta. Delta ki second row ka third row ka interchange sauraga phangba determinant amani delta suffix 1 asi. Then delta suffix 1 asi ki first row di lengdana lairani A1, A2, A3 na. Second row su B1, B2, B3, third row su B1, B2, B3 orani which is same as delta. Delta ki right side to ka chap manare. Therefore, so delta 1 is equal to CD right and se manarabadi delta 1 ga delta ga manarani equation 1. The sign of a determinant changes if any two rows or columns are interchanged. Determinant amagi sign is change tawgani row ani karigumba row ani natraga column ani pham onthoknarabadi haiba rule dugi matungina mathaki delta 1 asi delta dagi second row ga third row ga interchange toraga phangkibani aduna delta 1 se minus delta ga managani mathaki statement property sigi matung ina sin equation 2 tholo left ani si manare right ani manarani. From equation 1 and equation 2 we get delta equal to minus delta. Solving twice delta equal to 0 implies delta is 0. This shows that hence if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then its value is 0. Determinant karigumba determinant amagi any two rows natraga columns sing manarabadi determinant ki value to 0 igani haibasi prove tawre. Property number 4. If each element of a row or a column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, prove that the value of the new determinant is k times the value of the original determinant. Karigumba determinant amagi row amanatraga column amagi element khudingmak constant k na purirabadi adom na phangba anova determinant adugi value adudi k times the value of the original determinant oigani praman tau. Let delta equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 be a determinant of third order. Therefore, delta, which is we get this expression which is expand in row 1 the top expansion. Let delta 1 be the determinant obtained by multiplying the elements of the first row by k. Delta ke first row element punamakta k na puriraga phangba determinant do delta 1 na khangnarasi. Then delta 1 consists of first row adudi k times of A1, k times of A2, k times of A3. Second row adudi B1, B2, B3 lengdana laigani. Third row adusu hanagi adugumna C1, C2, C3 na lengdana laigani. Masi row 1 de expand tok si mathaki rule adu chap arana panba matamda ikhoni sig expression si phangani tang khudingmakta k si common factor ore k common lokthokrasi. Square bracket ki manung lariba expression asi mathakta kaya ga mana hore delta ga mana hore equal to k delta na sindokare sidagi khoina khange hence delta 1 equal to k times of delta. Property number 5. If some or all elements of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as sum of two or more terms, then Prove that the determinant can be expressed as sum of two or more determinants. Determinant amagi row ama natraga column amagi element khara natraga element pumnamak number ani natraga ani degi henba singi tinsinabada phongdok labadi determinant ado order manaba determinant ani natraga ani degi henba singi sum da phongdok pa yagani haibasi praman to. Let delta equal to first row do a1 plus l, a2 plus m, a3 plus n. Second row amasung third row di b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 adum thammasi. First row expand to we get this expression a1 na first factor second factor the puri bagi grouping ama, a2 na second factor the puri bagi amasung a3 na third second factor the puri bagi grouping ama. Amuksu sumna team group ani thona khaido si l into this minus m into this expression plus n into this expression. Mathaki expression na se sigi expression na si determinant na sigi expansion ni ani suba square bracket ki manung da lariba expression na si sigi determinant sigi expansion ni masidi kaya ga marare. Hence given determinant as a sum of two determinants ta form to a. Hence proof. Number 6. If two is element of any row or column of a determinant, the equimultiples of corresponding elements of other row or column are added. Prove that the value of the determinant remains the same. Karigumba determinant amagi any row nataga any column gi element khuding makta atopa row nataga column gi corresponding liba row nataga corresponding atopa row natraga column gi corresponding elements sing equimultiples sing hapakpa matamda adomna phangba determinant adugi value do hanagi determinant adugi value ga managani proof to. Let delta equal to a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. Let delta 1 be the determinant obtained by multiplying the elements of second row by k and added to the first row. Delta 1 asi mataki delta determinant asi ki second row ki element pumna makta k na puri raga first row da hapsin bani corresponding da. Then delta 1 equal to first column do first row si oirani second row amasung third row di length na lairani. Hariba first row asi sum of two numbers ta loina lairabanina property determinant ki property palaga di sum of two determinants ta phongdo a. Amuksung ani suba determinant asigi first row da k si common factor oirabanina property ama palaga aikhoina sanaba property ama palaga k common lokthokre asumna sigi determinant sigi delta na mau sindok cro k lejare sigi first row ga second row ga ani si identical oirabanina property palaga di magi value si 0 ni k into 0 that gives delta. Delta 1 asi hanagi delta do ga manare aduna anova determinant asi hanagi determinant ga manare and hence proof. Exercise 4.2. Using the properties of determinants and without expanding, prove that the value of this determinant is 0. Question number 2. The value of this determinant is also 0. Let us prove. X, Y, Z, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, A plus B plus C. Mawong matawiyeng C, masi ahanba ahum suba kalam sidagi ahum suba kalam sidagi ani suba kalam se lokthokrasi ahum suba kalam asidagi ani suba kalam lokthokradi first kalam lengdana thamo second kalam lengdana thamo third kalam anova third kalam adu xyz lairani madu operation mathakta nakanda c3 new third column is all third column minus all second column. We get hauzik phangiba determinant asigi first column ga third column ga identical ore magi value 0 ni since c1 equal to c3 identical oi budu sina khangna ba yai asumna 1 gi value proof tore 0 ga mane have si proof tore. For Roman number 2 moto yang si first column asida second column third column loin hapsilu new first column adu 0 ngakta oirani adu di column amagi element pumna mag 0 oirabadi determinant gi value do 0 soidana tarani. Hence proof. Using the properties of determinants and without expanding, prove that determinants in properties is in a expand to the determinants value si prove that the value of this determinant is 0 si prove to. Let us prove. huzik mawong mato yengsi 65 75 86 hariba number sing asi column 1 amasung column 2 gi karamba operation si tarakpa ngambage yawbri yengani common factor leibri yengani identicate oibri yengani. Let us see. Huzik first column ase 9 times of column 2, 9 times of 7, that is madu 2 absolute is 65, 9 times of I, that is 72 plus 3, that is 75, 9 times of 90, IT1 plus 5, IT6. Asumna first column asi first column da 9 times of column 2 absolute huzik anova column anova first column ba anova third column ga identicate ore determinant ki value is 0 orani maramdi C1 equal to C3. Using the properties of determinants and without expanding, prove that the value of this determinant is also 0. Properties determinant की properties सिजनरगा expand तौदना determinants की value 0 तागनी उल्लू हाइबनी मऊ मतौ येंगनी अखोइना 1 सी determinant ददी रो द नत्रगा कलम द मरांग काइना उरअनी हुजिक अखोइ कैदोब तारे third column the second column the hapselasi third column the second column hapselabadi first column amasung second column lengdana thamo new third column do si orani madu operation da new third column is obtained C3 plus C2 the common elements in the third column ki common factors do logtokrasi AB plus BC plus CA bracket na kolani maram the expression nina aduga first column second column the lengdana thamo new third column do 1 ngakta lerani Hozik anova determinant asida first column was third column was identicate oirabanina magi value 0 ode something into 0 di 0 tare hence proof. 5 si sup determinant ani si manai utlu haibani mawong mo to yengsi determinant ani se row 1 da row 2 row 3 row 1 da row 2 hapchilaga aikoina row 3 khaidokrabadi we get new row new first row do si phangani second row amasung third row di lengdana lerani new first row dagi aikoina 2 kama lokthok pa yare 2 kama lokthokre mathang di amok aikoina p riba expression si tana ba singadoribani CRZ second column dagi second row dagi first row lokthokrasi second row dagi first row lokthokadi new second row si phange amok su A P X third row dagi second row lokthokrabdi we get this masi right ta hangadaba expression si exactly oidri hairap mawong di manare ahanba row da APX ni sidadi APX to second row da leire adudi B C sina third row da leire C na hoba sina adudi third sidana first row da leire row ani interchange tawsi second row ga first row ga interchange tawnarabadi first row aduna APX orani second row aduna CRZ orani third row di remains unchanged mathang madugi sign minus amala ani row ani interchange tawna determining sign change to we have a property to gi matugina prefixing minus ama tapani amuksu second row asiga third row ga interchange tawna radi minus ama chongthorokani hanege minus ka purinarabadi plus tarani we get right hand side to phangde this is right hand side hence proof. Property number 6 using properties of determinant so that the value of this determinant is 0 haibani property yengaga karamba property ne suitable oibage haibadu yengasi first second column asida B na puri rasi second column asida B na puri rasi aduga third column asida A na puri rasi adudi kaikhoina hosi kare phange second column da B na puri rabadi we get this third column da A na puri rabadi we get this first column do the length na thamani adugumba manung da puri singe bedugi equality maintain tawna bagi dama 1 by AB na 1 by BA mamang da thamani coefficient oina hojik first row dagi aikoina second column asida second column the third column hapchalasi AB product AB da minus AB hapchaladi 0 ni 0 phangna bai koina sin bani asumna second new second column adu si oire 0 masing yamna yawbada first row da oire 0 yamna yawba except one element si yawdaba 0 first row expand to the si first row expand to the 0 into mark si 0 running this into 0 into something is 0 plus minus AB into something that is row 1 expand to we get this expression sig expression AB ga kathana garo si 0 ni last 0 phange right hand side yaure hence proof sisu property sisu naraga proof to let us proof अहान रोदगी ए कमल ताम खुदिमक्ता ए यावरे अनि सुबह कलम द बी यावरे थर्ड कलम द सी यावरे असुमना फर्स्ट कलम दगी ए सेकेंड कलम द बी थर्ड कलम द सी लोथोप याय अदुब अमा हेक्टा लोथो से अखोय हजिक फर्स्ट रो दगी ए लोथो ए सेकेंड रो दगी बी लोथो ए थर्ड रो दगी सी लोथो वी गेट दिस अमुकसु फर्स्ट कलम दगी ए सेकेंड कलम दगी बी थर्ड कलम दगी सी कमल लोथो खरदी नत्रगना रो 1 असिद रो 2 हापसलुसि रो 1 दा रो 2 हापसलुसि 0 b दा minus b हापसलुसि 0 c दा c हापसलुसि 0 twice 0 मसिंग यामना फंगे अदुदि 0 यामना यावबा रो असिद एक्सपांड तौरसि महाकि दमक्तदि twice अतै तामसिंग इरोगम c एक्सपांड इन रो 1 दा c फंगनी twice into something there is product ab minus of minus ab there is product ab फंगनी असुमना हजिक पुरिनरबदि 4a square b square c square फंगनी right hand side to the yawn mangamli. Let us property signaraga determinant siga right expressions factorize tausi. One row the column the later body coin one row wise kaidona gani 0 masing amna pangana ba loinena apamba factors to edigi b kaidu odi pangani bidigi si kaidu odi pangani apamba factors in sigi manung dagi kara yamdrabada pangana ba loinena 0 masing amna pangana hona gani adobo wana kalam da later body row wise kaidono 0 masing pangani loinen apama factor su pangbiya wana row da later magana kalam wise kaidokna gada hauji first row dagi second row kaidoksi second row dagi third row kaidoksi we get first row dagi second row kaidokra badi we get new first row second row dagi third row kaidokra we get new second row third row remains unchanged hauji 0 masing yamna yawbudu karamba first column da to a first column dagi aikoi a minus b lokthokra si second first row dagi a minus b second row dagi b minus c lokthokra si determinant gi masak sense tawkre asumna amuksu expand tawda si first column da expand madu gi 1 ro si da thame ba ki corresponding second order du si lere si gi value di b plus c minus of a minus b lere c1 da expand tawbani c1 expand tawda si phangi simplify to a minus b b minus c c minus a pange hence proof Roman number 2 holding now 1 0 the row the urabadi column wise khaidokna resi first column dagi second column dagi third column khaidokra 0 masung yamna phangna na basumna phangi for new first column dagi aikoina hozik first row expand to thosi first row expand to thorabadi second order determinant si kaktam irani 1 yawba row siga column ka thokra ga second order determinant si lehuri masidagi amuk a minus b lokthokra first second column dagi b minus c lokthokra badi isidagi a minus b lokthokra si phangorani sidagi b minus c lokthokra badi si phangani amuk second order se expand to si 1 into this expression minus 1 into this expression we get this bracket manung si amuk factorize to si c minus a common lokthok si aikoina c a minus b b minus c minus c c plus a plus b d a plus b plus c shina right inside to ori hence proof number 9 property signaraga factorization form ji tabang proof toksi adudi hoji koi kari to tare first row dagi second row khaidokro first row dagi second row khaidokro second row dagi third row khaidokro new first row becomes this new second row becomes this third row remains unchanged asumna x minus y loktokrasi y minus z kama loktokrasi new first row new second row asumna phangani third row hongdana leirani muksu row 1 dagi row 2 khaidokro row 1 dagi row 2 khaido asi row 2 khaido obadi 1 dagi 1 khaido 0 x plus y dagi y plus z khaido x minus z aduga sidagi si khaido khadi x minus z phangani x minus z second row amasung third row second row amasung third row lengdana thamasi hoji new first row sidagi x minus z kamal lokthokrabadi aikoina ji kaya phangani x minus z kamal lokthokre asumna change tore new first row adu zik 1 0 masing phangnana ba amo second column dagi 1 khaidokrasi new second column adu si phangani first column amasung third column di lengdana thamani row 1 de expand tawrasi 1 thamo ba yaw row ga column ga kakra second order si gi value di 1 into this minus or x z into this phange simplify tawrasi z minus x kamal lokthora labadi aikoi si maning ma onthona kre minus la manung do puri ro we get simplified tawraga si phange machine right hand side to uide hence proof question number 10 Roman number 1 mawong matau yengsi tahangadabada 5x plus 4 ni factor amana 4 minus x whole square ni 5x plus 4 asi row wise natraga column wise tinjinarabasu phangi masi symmetric oiba symmetric oid its main diagonal da aduna row 1 da row 2 row 3 loin hapchilo new first row adu 5x plus 4 5x plus 4 5x plus 4 second row amasung third row dilengdana thamasi common factor si common lokthok raw with bracket hapasi 1 ngakta lehore 1 row da lerabadi column wise khaidoknarani maximum 0 first column dagi second column khaidokpada 0 ani new first column da phange atai operation pangthu udrabasu yarani madu c1 minus c2 na pire first column da expand tawrasi x minus 4 gi mamang dari minus prefix tawrani mahak x minus 4 yaw row siga column ka kathakra 1 1 twice x plus 4 sig second order determinants value di x plus 4 minus twice x learning value evaluate tawraga 5x plus 4 times of 4 minus x whole square phange hence proof. Question number 10 Roman number 2 mawong matau yengsi tahangadaba factor di k square times of thrice y plus k si symmetric oirabanina row wise natraga column wise tinjinaraga su yagani hojik first row da second row third row hapsilu row new first row adu thrice y plus k loina oiri asumna common factor si common lokthok si 1 ngakta lehuri new first row du second row amasung third row di lengdana thamasi maximum 0 phangnabagi damak first column dagi second column khaidokro new first column adu the 0 ani leirabanina column 2 dagi column 3 khaidokpagi operation do pangthok throsu yarani hojik first column da expand toktosi minus k gidi proper sign minus ni asumna minus k yawba row ga column ga katakra second order determining gi value di y plus k minus y leri value evaluate tawrabadi k square times of thrice y plus k phange machine right hand side to ni hence proof. Question number 11 sisu proof tausi determinant asi a plus b plus c whole cube ni masi karam na tagadage habadu leiriba mawong matau asi yengagadi aikoina row 1 da row 2 row 3 hapchillaga new first row du a plus b plus c loina phange adudi asumna common factor ma phangabadi common factor du common lokthoksi madu with bracket sisina si expression oibanina 1 ngakta new first row da lehore masina amok column wise khaidokna rasi row 0 masing yamna phangnana ba adudi first column dagi second column khaidokpada new first column du 0 ani phange atai column 2 dagi column 3 khaidokpagi atai operation sing adu pangtho ogumsi hujik expand tawrasi first column da expand tawba matamda masugi a plus b plus c gi amaduga minus times of sila ani madugi minus 2 ga hana gi square ka kare second order determinant lehore 1 ga c minus a minus b ga purina bi false lere minus 1 ga twice c ga purina khaidu a simplify tawrabadi a plus b plus c whole cube phange hence proof. Question number 11 Roman number 2 sichu manaba mawong da factor do ahum lei hojik leiriba mawong matau asi karamna tagadagi yengsi first column da second column third column loina hapchin c new first column adu 2 times of x plus y plus z phange new first column du common factor phange common factors common lokthokre new first column du 1 ngakta ngai hore second column third column lengdana thame 0 yamna phangnana ba first column dagi second column khaidu first column dagi first row dagi second row khaidokpada new first row du 0 ani phange asumna new first row asi da 0 yamna yawba first row de expand tawrasi formula gi minus samaga hana gi minus ka di plus ni samana ba factor ani purina di square kare asumna second order determinant du gi value di si phangani evaluate tawrabadi 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cube phange hence proof. Question number 12 let us prove tahangadaba factor di 1 minus x cube whole square ni madudi 1 minus x habasi karamba tamda ugani haragadi aikoina column 1 dagi column 2 khado column 2 dagi column 3 khado row wise khaidona rasmasi yagani adon koi first column dagi second column khaidu a second column dagi third column khaidu we get this si phange new first column new second column dagi 1 minus x log thokari 1 minus x whole square new first column change story second column change story third column remains unchanged amuksu row 1 da row 2 row 3 loina hapsilu row new first row adu 0 ani ubo phangle asumna 0 masing yamna leiba row asi expand to asi expand to badi row 1 asi expand to similar by proper sign plus ni aduga mahak yauba row column ga kakta second order determinant gi value si phangani evaluate torabadi sigisu 1 plus x square area hajik square kamal lothokrabadi we get 1 minus x into 1 plus x square and the famous result amani 1 minus x cube expansion ani asumna right hand side yori hence proof. Question number 13 piriba expression si proof to haibani property sizinaraga aikoina tahangadaba factor dudi 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube ni factor ahumdu gi manung yamdrabada ama phangnana karamba operation pangthokpa ngamgodagi yengsi lorin 0 so tanaba singani 1 plus a square plus b square ni study 1 plus a square minus b square ni hariba singse minus amatang yawba ani yawba yawre adudi karamba operation ama si phangadagi let's see yengsi row 1 asida 2 times b times of row 3 sida b na puri raga sida hapchalabadi minus b square da twice b square hapchalabadi 1 plus a square plus b square phange sumna sida b na puri hapchal 0 lere sida b na puri raga sida hapchalabadi asumna sigi factor sima phange aduga row 2 asina row a times of row 3 sida gi a na puri sida khaidu a na puri sida khaidu a na puri sida subtract we get this new second row third row asidi lengdana thamasi new first row dagi 1 plus a square plus b square loktoba second row asidagi 1 plus a square plus b square loktorabadi square lairani new first row new second row change third row lengdana lairani sumna si express tore c3 asidi karamna phangi c3 asidi b times of c1 c3 asidi b times of c1 sida b na puri raga sida hapchalabadi sida b na puri raga sida hapchala b na puri sida hapchala c jaga da 0 lairani kogi 0 yamna phangana ba new first row column da adu bahujikti first row da thoe asumna c operation pangto operation phange first row expand to asi first row expand to we get this masidi manaba siga punjin nagra di phange masidi 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube phange right hand side yore hence proof. Question number 14 property sizinaraga proof tausi yengsi mawong matomuna yengsi adudi row 1 asida in 1 by a na diloina divide to row 2 asida b na loina divide to row 3 asida c na loina divide to divide to given number singadu mamangda abc equality se maintain tawna ba lairani asumna row 1 row 2 row 3 singma sak change tawre tam ABC leire hojik manungda aikoina kamaina pangthokre C1 asi karamna phangi a times of C1 C2 asi karamna phangi b times of C2 C3 asi karamna phangi c times of C3 asumna C1 asida aikoina a na puri rabadi we get this C2 asida b na puri rabadi we get this C3 asida c na puri rabadi we get this madu 1 by ABC na maintain tawre ani ste kathana kre aduga hojik first column the second column third column loina hapchalasi new first column the common factor ama phange hariba common factor si common lokthokrasi sumna phange the column new first column the one ngakta ngairi the 0 yamna phangna since first row the second row khaidokra we get this 0 ani phangabani atai operation tiragum si second row amasung third row lengdana thamasi 0 yamna yawba first row expand to see we get this massive phangani so we simplify to robadi 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square phang. Choose the correct answer in exercise 15 and 16. 15-16 के correct answer Q है बने. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then modulus of determinant of K times of A is equal to करम बच्चों बगे हंगमानी A है बसी 3 by 3 और बदी के अहुम लग लग थोड़ा बदी K cube याव बसी ओइगनी. अदन मसी के correct answer दी C ऐसी ओइगनी. मरम दी C A ऐसी 3 by 3 नहीं. अदो दिमाग की दी होरेन K दी cube कारकन K दी cube कारकन वाना की A is in n by n or n order or n by n or k power n or formula which of the following is correct? Determinant is a square matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. None of these. Option C is determinant definition.